This conference will now be recorded.
So you are asking about all sales order invoices and vendor invoices. I would like to see in one screen. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So I'm just opening the application. So as it is related to sales order invoices and purchase order invoices are a part of finance, it will not be available in the sales and marketing and procurement and sourcing. It will be available in accounts payable and accounts receivable module. It is available in accounts payable and accounts receivable. Let me show you.
Venkatramana garu.
Yes.
What is the purpose? Just a curiosity, I'm asking. What is the purpose to see both purchase and sales invoices? In what kind of scenario it required?
No, it's not both. It is independently. You want to see vendor invoices in one screen, sales order invoices in one screen, but
Okay.
not together. But not together.
Okay. Okay.
So accounts payable module. So here inquiries and reports, vendor reports, not vendor reports, invoices. I think it is an invoice or not. Give me a minute. I think this one only. So this one. It will show you all kind of invoices. See here, all kind of invoices means I told you one is invoice journal, second one is purchase order invoice, third one is pending vendor invoice, and fourth one is invoice register and approval journal. It is covered in finance. There are 4 types of invoices can be executed. So if the purchase order number is exist means it is purchase order to invoice. If it is not exist means it may be anything. These all are invoices. If you want to filter by, you can filter by this purchase order number, then it will show you purchase order linked invoices. Clear?
Okay, Satya. Thank you.
Okay. And the sales order invoices also I will show you. The same manner, it is a part of finance. Even though it is executing in T&L, it is a part of finance. So accounts receivable module. Accounts receivable module. Is not in this one. Same inquiries and invoice reports. invoices and invoice journal. This is for customer invoices. In this customer invoices, it will be all free text invoices and sales order invoices together. All free text invoices and sales order invoices, because in customer invoices, two different types. One is free text invoice, another one is sales order to invoice. Okay, if sales order number is not exist, means it is free text invoice. Okay, this is very simple. It's a kind of report or inquiry. It's a kind of inquiry. Okay, any more doubts, please?
Thank you, Satya.
Yeah, well.
Satya, while doing invoicing and sales order, we have to select all, or we have to select post packing slip or clear and pay the weeks.
So you will learn that many options. Actually, there are so many options inside, am I right?
I am.
So all those options you will understand day by day. Currently, you learned only all and packing.
Yes.
You learned all
Yes.
only. So you will learn so many things. It is in P&L, it will be covered, but in finance, it will not be covered because all. I will explain you all those things that day by day you are going to learn a lot.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Satya. Thank you, Satya.
Fine. So any more questions? So if nothing, then we can proceed with one more
Satya,
topic. Yes, please. Yes, Shiva.
yesterday you given a link for a 4 hours access. Is that directly we will get into application, or it's a help kind of video recording?
No, you need to go. It is application only. But actually, I will guide you, Shiva. No issues. I will call you separately and I will guide you.
Okay, right. Okay.
Fine. So, new topic, trade agreement journals. Trade agreement journals. These trade agreement journals are also called price discount journals. Price discount journals. Actually, in AX 2009 previous version, it is trade agreement journals. The form names are trade agreement journals. In 2012 R3, in 2012 R1, R2, R3, there are 4 versions: RTM, R1, R2, R3. There it was changed to price discount journals, and once again in D365 they have changed it to trade agreement journals. So the naming convention is changing from one version to another version. Initially the oldest name is trade agreement journals, but sometimes in between they have changed to price discount journals, and once again they are changing to trade agreement journals. So in some forms it may be trade agreement journals, in somewhere it will be price and discount journals. So both are same, there is no change, both are same. You can observe, like in the one form it will be shown like trade agreement journals, in some other menu it may show you price discount journals, but both are same. Okay, what is this? We'll discuss. Next one is purchase agreements and sales agreements. So this purchase agreements and sales agreements is different from trade agreement journals. What do you mean? In this purchase agreements and sales agreements, you have a commitment. In this purchase agreements and trade agreements, purchase agreements and sales agreements, there is a commitment. Means you and your vendor and you and your customer has agreed some conditions. One second, let me show you. So you are running your business. You are running your business. You and your vendor has agreed like one thing. What is the agreement? So I have confirmed like in this year or in this 6 months, I am giving you assurance like I will purchase 500 washing machines. In certain period, 3 months or 6 months, I have agreed like I would like to purchase from you 500 washing machines. Then vendor will give you like, so as you are giving assurance like 500, I'm offering you like instead of 22,000 price, I will give you offer 20,000. Otherwise, 22,000 is the MRP price. I will give you discount as you are agreeing. I will give you discount 2,500 rupees or 1,500 rupees. This is purchase agreement. And in the sales agreement means your company versus your customer. You are taking assurance from the customer how many items you will purchase. How many items you will purchase means how many items this customer, specific customer, is agreed to purchase from me. Suppose 100 washing machines. He agreed like I would like to purchase for the entire year 100 washing machines. So your company and customer is getting a agreement like this is the price and this is the amount. So based on customer, how many items are going to purchase, based on that you are giving price. You are giving price. That is sales agreement and purchase agreement. Sales agreements and purchase agreements, there is a commitment here. So whether you are fulfilling or not, later, that is we will discuss later. But here in this, there is a commitment. But whereas trade agreement journals, we don't have any commitment. We don't have any commitment. We are offering to the customer, this is the price. And in the same manner, vendor offering some prices that can be entered in the system. So here there is no agreement like you will purchase this many quantity, you will purchase this many price. In this trade agreement journals, you will find price and then line discount, multi-line discount, then total discount. Price. So MRP is given as like suppose 23,500. Washing machine MRP price is 23,500. But I'm giving offer like I'm giving the price like newly started my business. So even though MRP is 23,500, I'm giving 21,000 for every customer. This is I'm declaring the price. Any customer comes, I will give 21,000 rupees because I have started a new business. I need to keep with a lesser margin initial days so that people should habituate to come to my showroom. Okay, the price. Otherwise, I can give 22,000 is the price and a discount I will give 1,000 rupees. This is just I myself declaring. Here I'm not taking any commitment from the customers. I'm declaring this is the price, this is the discount. Suppose there is a wholesale customer. Usually I'm selling to retail customers, suppose, and I'm selling to the retail customers also. So one regular customer, he is in Suryapet and he is coming to Hyderabad and he is purchasing more items. Then I will give special price for him like 20,500. This is for specific customer. This is for all, and I am giving a special price for specific customer. Otherwise, like 20,000. Take the example like I'm selling laptops. Okay, it is 42,000. I'm selling at the rate of 42,000 and discount is 1,000. Now Accenture is approaching me, then I'm giving offer for this Accenture 40,000 only, because if relationships established with Accenture, I can get more orders from Accenture because I know Accenture is a very big company. Or suppose TCS is approaching, then I will offer maybe sometimes 38,000, because if it is an individual person, he will purchase only 1, 2, 3 something, that's it. But if it is any software company is purchasing from me, a company employees, companies, if they are purchasing then TCS, Infosys, Wipro, any big companies, or Sonata, Godrej, there are so many big companies. So if they are purchasing, I will offer 38,000. Okay, otherwise wholesale customers. Here wholesale customers. What do you mean by wholesale customers? Means they will purchase from me and they will sell to their customers. Then I will offer 39,500. So here there are three criteria. Actual price is 43,500 and I am giving for all customers, I'm giving offer like 42,000. I'm decreasing 1,000, 2,000, 1,500, and I'm giving discount also 1,000. So it will become like this. Now, if it is a specific customer like Accenture, TCS, Infosys, otherwise like my friend is coming to my showroom and he is asking some material, then definitely I need to decrease a special price to my friend with a minimum margin. And here the wholesale customers like customers from Suryapet, customers from Warangal, customers from Khammam, like these are small cities or towns. So from there people are like companies are coming and they are purchasing from me. Then definitely I need to give little bit lesser price. So customer wise price you can map, customer group wise you can map, for all customers you can map. Okay, so let me show you this one. Forget about this line discount, we'll discuss this one later. So currently I'm not giving suppose discount, I'm not giving. We'll discuss this line discount also later. First we'll focus on price. Okay, let me show you in the system quickly. Sales and marketing. I will do one thing, I will create an item so that you will get confident on this one. Let me go to product information management, release products. Let me quickly create a washing machine item and then let me show you how to create an item also. So if you click on new button, product information management, products, released products, click on new button. So here the product type is there, item and the service it is available. You will understand this one later on. And the product subtype is product and product master. One is the product type is item and service. And then next one is product subtype is product and product master. Okay, this you will understand slowly. Now take the example washing machine. I'm creating WM1 washing machine. Okay, so I'm selecting item model group. If you are creating, practice with the FIFO. Okay, and then audio RM, whatever I'm selecting, try to select the same thing. If you want to practice later on, you will understand all these things in detail. Okay, and site and warehouse, none. So actually in the real-time scenario, we need to map serial number for the washing machine, but for time being I'm proceeding with the none. Okay, in reality washing machines definitely it will have serial number, so you need to select in real-time scenario serial number, but time being you don't know that serial number, batch number, those things still I need to explain you a lot. Okay, this in depth you will understand later. For new item you try to create, try to map item model group FIFO, item group audio RM, storage dimension group site and warehouse, tracking dimension group none. So don't map other things. If you map other things it will create differently, so you don't know currently, so that you will understand everything in the coming sessions. Okay, and each units, inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit we have created. Click OK. So for this washing machine one, of course it is in US dollars, it is 42,000 is too much, so I will write down $500 or 600 or 700, $600 for all customers, and this is for 550 or 500 for my specific customer. This is for 550. Okay, I'm going to map like this. So I have created. Once it is created, you can go to product tab and click on validate. If you click on validate, then it will show you all field values required for the validation are specified. Blue ribbon, it is succeeded without any errors. If these mandatory fields are not mapped, you will get error messages. That I will show you next time. You will understand. Now we have created an item. So for this, it was not mentioned any price here. So if you want to enter purchase price or sales price, we have option here in this sales order, base sales price you can enter. So you can enter for all customers sales price. This I will discuss with you later. I'm not currently discussing about this one. I will discuss with you this one later. So we have created a sales order. Sorry, we have created an item. Now let me create a sales order first. Click on new. Selecting the customer. I have selected customer 002. Any customer is fine. Just for differentiate, I have created. I have selected US 002. So click OK. So WM1. If I entered, then let me verify what is the price it is showing by default. So it is not showing. Look at this one. Click on tab. I'm sorry. Now verify unit price is not there. Nothing. There is no price here. Suppose in the release order, cell tab, if it is entered any price, suppose I'm entering this here, MRP, what is the price? It is 650. The price is 650. It is in MRP, it is 650. They have entered 650. Now if you refresh sales order, let me remove this one. Delete. OK. Now I'm clicking on add line. Select item, click tab. Look at this one. Now the price is coming whatever I have entered in the released products. So you can utilize this field for MRP. Otherwise, if it is India, there will be some special localizations. It will be there. It is MRP something. So the price we can enter here as MRP price. Okay. So if you are not using any trade agreement journals, then MRP whatever it is there, it is price. It is coming as the price. MRP is coming as price. Now let me take duplicate. I'm not selling at the rate of MRP because if it is a new company, I need to attract, I need to offer the customers so that customers will habituate to come to my organization. So what I will do here, sales and marketing, collapse all, price and discounts, trade agreement journals. As I told you, some field, some menu names are actually it is not trade agreements. Actually, earlier in 2009, these are trade agreements only. Price and discounts on trade agreement journal. menu name, menu item and menu name is different. Okay, whatever it may be. Now click on new, select sales price, select sales price, click on lines. Okay, here it is price sales. Okay, there are many things inside, you'll understand slowly. Now price sales means sales price. Here for which customers? If you select a table, then it is a specific customers, customer wise. Now for all customers, and table for which item? This is table group all is there. Table means item, group means item group, all means all. So table I am selecting. So for washing machine WM1 I have mapped washing machine. If you want to map site wise, warehouse wise price, you can map it, otherwise your wish. And from quantity to quantity means if you want to give, if the customer is purchasing from 0 to 10, this is the price, and 11 to like unlimited, you can have the special price. If you want like that also, you can map it. Currently I'm not designing like that. Now 600 US dollars for all customers, washing machine for any site and warehouse. So if you want to map a specific site and warehouse, yes, you can map site and you can map warehouse. Okay, now for all customers, for item WMN M1 washing machine, I am just offering at the rate of 600 US dollars. It is must, currency also must. And find next checkbox will be automatically it is there. So if in case 0 to 10, one price, 11 to 50 another price, and 51 to unlimited, I will give another price. Yes, we can map like that also. Okay, for time being I'm mapping for 1 week. This offer is from I'm sorry, last week 25th of October to 31st October. This week I'm giving offer $600. So now click on post. Click OK. Sri,
Can we give percentage wise instead of amount?
prices will not be percentage. Discounts, yes.
Okay,
Discount.
okay. Price, yes. No, got it. Sorry.
So let me create a new one with the same customer US002. So I'm selecting US002, same customer. Give me a second. Okay, it is updated. Now selecting site and warehouse. Even if you don't want, you can select in the line also. Here, instead of this one, you can select in line details also, no problem. Click OK. So earlier, I have not mapped any trade agreement journal. At that time, the MRP price, whatever it is there, 650 it is coming. Now I have created one agreement, price discount agreement or sales agreement. Give me a minute. It is WMM1 actually. Give me a minute, it is loading now. Look at this one. The price is coming automatically 600. The price is coming from trade agreement journal, whatever you have entered. Trade agreement journal, whatever we have entered. Posted price. The sales price. $600, that is coming automatically here in the sales order, and you can proceed. Okay, if it is any customer, it is not only one customer, because the configuration what we did it here for all customers. The party code means for all customers we are offering. For if it is any washing machine, if they are purchasing, for us it is sales, means for them it is purchase. We are giving offer at the rate of 600. Now, so if I do for one more sales order for any other customers also, it will be the same. If you want me to show you, I will show you that one also. Suppose I'm selecting not only customer US002, I'm selecting another customer. For any customer, it will come the price, the same price. Let me show you for confidence. US-010. I'm selecting some another customer 0 010. Okay, so the problem is, give me a minute. Actually, I have enabled some services. Let me verify that services. If I remove that services, then it will be performance will be good. So for you also, you can go to the services.msc, and this I don't want. Okay, let me stop. It will take so much time and the performance will be come down. Microsoft Dynamics Unified Operations Batch Management Service and the Data Import Export Framework. These are the two services it is required for some purpose. In your system also, try to disable this one so that performance will be increased. These two services, if it is running by default, whenever it was installed in your laptop by that third party guy, then it will be disabled, but this will be running. So this I will discuss with you later, what is the purpose. So how to open means, you can go to start in your virtual machine, services.msc, services.msc. If you open this one, then you can select Microsoft Dynamics 365 Unified Operations Batch Management Service. Disable this one. It will be running actually. Stop running and disable. and this will be by default, it will be disabled. No need to enable that one. Okay, so these two batches, the batch jobs are mandatory requirement in the real-time scenario, but for your performance, because for practicing purpose, it is you need to learn quickly about this application. This information you will understand later. I will discuss with you later on time. Okay, so then performance will be good. Actually, I have selected at random US0 10, and I'm skipping warehouse here. I can skip. Now I'm selecting WM1 warehouse, sorry, washing machine 1. Now look at this one. The price is coming automatically, and if I'm clicking on Control S to save, it will throw error message, site must be filled in. Okay, site is mandatory for sales order. Site is mandatory, and warehouse is not mandatory for sales order, but if you are doing packing slip, it is mandatory. Packing slip and invoice, it is mandatory. Okay, so better to map site and warehouse together always. So for any customer, the price is coming 600 because we have configured the price as 600. Now I'm creating another agreement journal, specific customer. Okay, let me go back to not posted transactions. Click on new, sales price. Sorry, not this one. Sales price. Click on lines. So now specific customer. Take the specific customer means, suppose customer 1001 or 1003 TCS company. TCS company is approaching me, and take the example, this is instead of washing machine, assume like this is a laptop. Assume like laptop. This is WM1 is a laptop, suppose. Then I will give offer at the rate of 500. At the rate of 500. So I'm giving offer at the rate of 500 only. $100 is not a small amount, it's a big amount. I'm offering at the rate of 500. So this offer I'm giving the same 1 week option. This last week I'm giving an offer for this price. Click post. Post. Okay. Now if you verify posted transactions, Z2A, it will show you two journals it is created. One is, this is for all customers. This is for all customers, and this one is for specific customer. 1003 customer, I'm giving special price at the rate of 500 only. Now if you go to release products, and if you verify cell tab, sorry,
small question, like we are defining, I mean, like price for particular, I mean, for all products or group, right? So can we set a time limit, like in this time period?
Yeah, that's what I have. I have given like 1 week.
Oh, okay, yeah, got it.
So here I came to this item, released product. I came to this release product. Give me a second. In this release product, I went to sell tab, trade agreements, view trade agreements, Then for this item, for all customers, the price was 600, and for specific customer 1003, the price is 500. In the same manner, if you go to customer account, so accounts receivable, customers, all customers, if you select any customer, suppose 1001, and sell tab, related information or trade agreements, sales price, So for item WM1, I'm filtering by WM1. It will show you 600 because for all customers I have mapped 600. It is coming automatically 600. You can verify from agreements also. Any customer if you select, because for all customers we have configured this one. So if you select item WM1, it will show you it is 600. If you select any customer, even for suppose US001, and if you go to agreements, you filter by item WM1. Actually, I need to create laptop, but I have created WM1. Okay, whatever it may be. So if you verify, the price is 600. But if you verify customer 1003, Tata Consultancy Services, if I go to agreements, filter by WM1, there are two prices will be shown. One is for all customers, it was defined already 600, but for specific customer 1003, this specific customer Tata Consultancies, it was given 500. So if you create a new sales order for US 1003 Tata Consultancies, it is by default, it is not available in the system. I have created a customer 1003, and if you go back to transactions, click OK. I have not mapped site and warehouse. It is best practice is you can map there also. WM1 I have mapped. Now if you verify, it is coming 500. So as I told you, site and warehouse should be mapped. Understood?
Sacha, when we created the item, did we map that to site and warehouse?
For item, it is not required. For item, it is not required, because for item, I may purchase this item in the warehouse 11 or warehouse 12, warehouse 13, or site 1, site 2, site 3. I can purchase from anywhere. Am I right? So site and warehouse is mapping is not required, but storage dimension group is must and should. So while creating an item master, we have mapped storage dimension group. In this storage dimension group, we are defining like what are the mandatory fields, but we are not mapping site and warehouse. We will not map it, because for this item I may purchase for site 1, site 2, site 3. Am I right?
Okay.
Agree with me? So I can purchase this item for any warehouse, for any site. Suppose I have 5 warehouses. For 5 warehouses I can purchase. So I cannot restrict to the warehouse here for the item. But default warehouse setups are there. Those things I will explain you later. Some setups.
Okay.
But while creating an item master, you are not defining site and warehouse. That is not correct process at all.
So you meant to say whenever an item is created, by default, it will be available in all warehouses.
Yes, for all warehouses, for site, for all sites, for all sites and for all warehouses, it will be available. If you want to restrictions, yes, somewhere some setups are there. Using that setups, you can restrict or you can stop. You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
That setups you will understand later on. Okay.
Thank you.
Fine. So restrictions definitely I will discuss with you later on. Okay. And one more thing. So from Monday onwards, 100% new links will be shared. So that new links will be shared in the group, WhatsApp group. Whoever is paid fee, those people only will get access the links, new links from Monday onwards. Okay. So if you have paid, that is fine. If you are not paid, you will not be allowed into the session. I'm sorry, but this is like conditions from definitely institute. Institute also spending a lot of money to run their business. Okay, so they cannot give more classes. It is almost 5 to 6 sessions we have given, like you have joined. So from Monday onwards, you will not be allowed in the sessions if you have not paid fee. Okay, that is institute will take care, or if you are direct student, you need to approach me. Fine. So now we understood about price for all customers, for specific customer. Wholesale, like customer group wise, I will show you on Monday. Now discount. Let me show you discount. So if you want to discount, the same in the agreement journals. Let me close this one. This may not be covered today. I will discuss with you on Monday. But let me show you. If it is discount, you can select here and sales discount go inside lines. So here you can map, look at this one, it is line discount, and you can map here line discount. This amount in currency, earlier it is sales price. Now if you select discount, then the same field will be used as discount amount. The same field, it will be used as discount amount. So this is definitely in my opinion, this is not a good design, because the price field should be different and discount field should be different. This is a kind of bad design. In the long back it was designed, I mean to say, it was designed in I think 1.0 version only in 1998 this application is invented. So maybe this is a bad design in my opinion. Here I'm telling you, because whenever you are entering sales price, if you are selecting this sales price sales, then you are entering price here. If you are selecting line discount, then same field is using for discount amount. So there will be complexities for the developer, like the code development, it will be little bit complex. Okay, this is a little bit minus point, to be frankly. But it was already invented in 1998. At that time only it was configured in such a way it is processing. Okay, then this is amount. But if you want percentages, you can enter here the percentages. You can enter the percentage. This is discount amount and this is discount percentages. Okay, in detail we'll discuss on Monday about line discount and group wise price also. These things I will discuss with you on Monday. Okay, any quick question? Yeah.
What is that find next on that discount tab that you just showed?
Yeah, this one is, suppose the prices here, prices, if customer is purchasing from 0 to 100, I will give the price at the rate of 550 or 560, and from 101 to 1000 he is purchasing, I will give at the rate of 545, and above 1001 onwards any quantity I will offer 535. I can give offers, am I right?
Yep.
If it is more, then that is the next one. Find next.
Okay, where can we configure that?
This one, next only. You can create one more line.
Okay, so it will allow us to create more lines.
Yes, 0 to 100. So here you can enter 0 to 100. Next line you can enter. So of course I need to fill all these things. Next line I can enter 1012 or 100.012 or 1000. Like that I can create. Make sense?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. If you have any further more doubts, we can discuss on Monday. I'll show you. Okay, fine. Any more questions, please? Quick questions.
Sir, what is Hello.
Yeah, Bhagya, yes, please.
What is product code type?
Which one?
Product code type.
Product for types you will discuss on Monday, not now. The coming sessions I will discuss it. All those things. In the coming sessions you are going to learn.
Oh.
Okay, fine. Okay, and I'm just wind up in this session for today. We'll connect once again on Monday. See you all. Bye.
Thank you, Satya. Happy weekend.
You're welcome. Thank you.